Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A quick one here. Let's make this transparent clear lip gloss. I'm just trying to clear my archive from 2 years ago. So yes, I made this video 2 years ago. So yeah, if you want to see how I made this clear lip gloss, let's go straight into the video. So here are all I'll be needing to make my lip gloss. I'll be needing a pair of gloves, and then here is my Gel base, which is my lip gloss base. I actually got this from TKB, but this is me clearing my archive from 2 years ago. I can't really place where I got this Gel. And then that little bottle is my fragrance. There I used bubblegum fragrance, and then I have my mixing bowl and a small spatula to mix in my lip gloss. Of course, I'll get my lip gloss tubes to put my lip gloss when I'm done making them. And then lastly, I'll get my oil, my carrier oil for that moisturizing feel and also for an additional flavor. For this lip gloss I'm making, I'm going to be using cold pressed coconut oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, but I would always advise you to use oils with comedogenic ratings of 2 because they are very high moisturizing, and what we're using this oil here for in this recipe is for the sake of moisturizing. So I'm going to measure out my Gel into my bowl. I'm not scaling this here. I'm just going to eye gauge and measure out my Gel into my bowl. Now this is TKB Gel, so it's pretty thick. So I'm going to keep adding my coconut oil in and keep checking the consistency till I get that particular lip gloss consistency that I want to get. So if you really want a very light lip gloss, then you have to keep adding your coconut oil until you get that light consistency. If you want a thick consistency, then you just have to add little of your coconut oil and just check the consistency till you get the exact thickness that you want. So I'm just adding in my coconut oil until I get the right consistency that I want for my lip gloss. So once I get the consistency that I want, the thickness, I'll just go ahead to add my fragrance. Here you can use any beautiful fragrance you want. Remember, you're making a lip gloss, so you really want to use something very nice. So here I used bubblegum fragrance and it smelled really great. Like I said earlier, I couldn't place exactly where I got these ingredients from because this is me clearing my archive from 2 years ago. So what I will do is to get a trusted vendor who you can reach, or whatever, a link where you can buy from maybe Amazon or something, and then I'll place them in my description box whenever I can find it. Now it's time to fill the lip gloss tube. It's very difficult to fill in the lip gloss through the tubes because of the little hole it has, so we just have to use a syringe, which is the best and quickest way to fill this. So I just get my syringe. I think this is about how many mil, I don't know, and so I'm just gonna fill through. Syringes comes in different sizes here. I even have the one of 500 ml of syringe here, so it depends on what you are feeling for. Whenever you're feeling for tubes, it's usually difficult, so I use my syringe. And then here I filled my tubes already, and voila, my lip gloss is ready to be used. So this is how I made my clear lip gloss and filled it into my tubes. Harmattan is coming pretty close, and you want to try this for yourself and your family, or you want to share this to your friends, you can give this a try. In another video, I'm going to be making a colored lip gloss with glitters, and I would want you to watch that as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumb up. Please subscribe to this channel because I always want to see you on this channel watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. I love you all. I hope to see you in another video of mine. For now, take care and have a lovely day. Bye.